What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and today I kind of want to go over something that may be a issue with some people. Some customers complain that these FS55s, some of the more higher compression two-strokes, they brought. To make a long story short, I repaired this about a month ago, and they brought it back and said that it was locked up. It's not locked up. It's just got a lot of compression. And, I can't, all I can do is crank it in front of the customer and it runs fine, and they take it back home. I mean, maybe you need to eat your Wheaties in the morning before you get started your yard work. These engines have a ton of compression, and that's one of the reasons I like the Echo, because it has the I-30 starter that actually takes a lot of that compression and decreases it by 30%. And Echo trimmers are a breeze to start. But let's do a cold start on this FS55, and I'll show you that it's not locked up. It's just got a ton of compression. So when you pull one of these, the easiest way to start them is to get it on that compression stroke. Gonna give it a choke. Push your bulb a couple times just to get the air out of it. And you have to briskly pull it. It'll help if you turn the switch on, folks. Now I probably got it flooded. And if you want my honest opinion, for a right-handed user, they've got this cord coming out the wrong way. You have to get on the opposite side of the machine if you're right-handed. If you, like, here's my right hand, and it's just awkward to be able to start these when the cord is going the other way. If you're right-handed, that cord needs to come out over this way, just like an Echo. But anyway, guys, I thought that was a funny, comical thing to show you guys that, the customer ain't always right. There ain't nothing wrong with this trimmer. It runs like a sewing machine. But anyway, y'all have a great day. More Medic One.